In this video, I want to demonstrate the use of mouse gestures. Mouse gestures can greatly decrease your design time. It's a very handy item and it's worth your while to get used to them. To use a mouse gesture, I'm going to right click and hold my right mouse button, and as I move, the mouse gestures will pop up. Whichever one I move the mouse over, that will be activated. So in this case, I'm just looking at my part, so when I use mouse gestures, the view menus open up. So I moved my mouse over the top view and I see the top view. I'll do that again. I'm going to right click and hold my mouse button, and this time I'll look at the side view and right click and hold, and wherever I release the mouse, that's the view I get. So I'm going to switch back to the isometric view. So this time I'm going to select this face. I'm going to tell I want to start a sketch in this face. I'll look normal to that face, and if I use my mouse gestures, you'll notice they've changed. It's given me the ability to dimension, to draw a line, a square, or a circle. So if I move over the line, I'm now in line. If I activate mouse gestures again, I can switch. I'm now creating a circle. I activate mouse gestures again, and I move down and I'm creating a 2-point rectangle. So once again, I hold the right mouse button and move, and now I'm in dimension mode. I'm going to push escape, and I'm going to cancel this sketch. So mouse gestures are a very handy item, and they can greatly speed up your design time. To customize them, we go up to the ribbon bar and right click and choose Customize, and then come over here to the mouse gestures, and this will open up. And what you have the option to do is disable if you don't like it at all, or leave it enabled. And you can change from how many gestures would you like. So you can leave it at 4, you can put it to 8. And again, you get a preview over here of what you'll see. And these can also be further customized. Or I can change it to 12. And once again, we get a preview of what we'll see when we're looking at the part, or if we're in an assembly, or drawing, or sketch mode. So I'm going to put mine back to 8. I'll say OK. Again, I'll select this face and tell SolidWorks I want to create a sketch. I'll look normal too, and this time when I use my mouse gesture, I now have 8 options to choose from.